Okay, this is the Midwest Homes Ovation trainer, and this is the largest size. This is the 48.5 by 31 width, and then you can see the length. And this one has 2 doors. We got the double door one, so you can either put it long ways like this, or you can put it up against, to move this, you can put it up against a wall and have it open this way, which is really nice and convenient because it saves some space. We have a large, 85-pound Doberman, so we needed a large crate. But it does also come with this divider for when they're puppies, which is nice. So you can make it quite a bit smaller for them because this thing is a beast. So yeah, this is awesome. It is super easy to take apart and put together. It just folds down, and it has the nice, removable waterproof tray in there, so you can just kind of take that out and hose it off if you have an accident or anything. Our dog is very strong. He's never been able to break out of this, but we don't lock him in it often. He just he likes to go in there. It's his little safe space. So yeah, I would highly recommend. It's awesome, it's big, it's sturdy, and I really like the double door option. There was another one by this brand that just had a single door, but I really like being able to put it up against a wall and have it this way. It just makes it a little bit easier to save some space. So I could try to show you how it folds. It literally just folds down. So it's super easy, but you kind of need 2 hands to do it, so I can't really get it on film. Trust me, it's easy to fold down and put up. I just put it up in 2 minutes. And when it folds down, it can fit under our couch. It's very slim. So yeah, definitely recommend. The brand is, there you go, Midwest Homes for Pets Ovation Trainer.